Welcome. Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. The Realme GT Master Edition Mobile was launched on July 21, 2021. The phone has a 6.43-inch touchscreen display with 1080 x 2400 pixel resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The Realme GT Master Edition is powered by an Octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The Realme GT Master Edition runs Android 11 and has a 4300 mAh battery. The Realme GT Master Edition supports fast charging, 100% charge in 33 min. As for the cameras, the Realme GT Master Edition has a 64-megapixel primary camera with f/1.8 aperture and 0.7 micron pixel size. The 8-megapixel camera has an aperture of f/2.3 and a resolution of 1.12 microns, while the 2-megapixel camera has an aperture of f/2.4 and a resolution of 88.8 microns. The rear camera setup has autofocus. The front has a 32-megapixel camera for selfies with f/0.8 aperture. The Realme GT Master Edition runs on Realme UI 2.0, which is based on Android 11 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. Realme GT Master Edition is a dual SIM, GSM, mobile that accepts Nano-SIM and Nano-SIM cards. The Realme GT Master version measures 159.20 into 73.50 into 8.00 mm and weighs 186.00 grams. Available in Cosmos Black, Luna White, and Voyager Grey. Connectivity options in the Realme GT Master Edition include Wi-Fi 800 2.11, GPS, Bluetooth V5.20, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G 4G and the phone's sensors include an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint sensor. The Realme GT Master Edition price starts 128 GB 8 GB RAM price $309. 256 GB 8 GB RAM price $349.